Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore an older gauge. This happened to be a Humvee gauge. You look closely, the Humvee being in the field and there's a lot of debris and things that got inside the gauge. Doesn't look too good. It's still functional, it just doesn't look good. So my plan is I'm gonna take the gauge apart, clean it, reassemble it. I'm going to walk through the procedure with you guys, so you want to restore your own, you can follow this procedure. So for a gauge like this, and the design is very similar with other gauges, you really can't disassemble anything back here to remove the front part of it. What you need to do is you got to get in here. You see that there's a lip that permanently deformed when they assemble it. And you can see I already have a screwdriver and started the process and trying to get it out. I'll show you my method of doing it. It's not that hard. It's just like, it's going to take a little bit of time to get this done. So what you want to do is find a flat piece of metal, aluminum or whatever, and just so you can match what a gap is. Get a little screwdriver. Don't use the big one. The smaller one works better. And you kind of stick it in. Use this as leverage. Push it as far down as you can, and then just turn the lip to permanently deform it. And you got to go around until you completely deform it and get it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on it. Okay, so after you deform them a little bit, you're able to get in between the lips. You can see that I got inside the lips. I got a few screwdriver here. And at this point, I can use the lip as leverage to try to deform the metal. You can see that it's already starting to try to come out. Well, check this out, guys. Look like there's sand on here, all kinds of. This Humvee definitely been in the desert because I've seen a lot of sand in here. And then the seal didn't work very well, so I'm going to go ahead and clean them all up, and then we'll put some silicone seals on it. Make sure water doesn't get in again. There you go. Now be careful, guys. The screwdriver got me. I should have wear gloves, but oh well. So first thing I'm going to do is get the seals off. It's really old, and it cracked and everything, so not sure how I'm going to replace this just yet, but let's just separate it. Get all this clean out in here. Oh, give this a good cleaning. clean the gauge, and then we'll assemble everything back. All right, so I use the rubbing alcohol, try to clean as much as I can, and then I use the Armor All, of course, trying to just restore it. Now you can see that these are already been oxidized, and there's not much I can do about it, but it does look a lot better. And I tested the needle is still working. I can rotate it back and you can see it's working just fine. So at this point, I'm going to try to put this thing back together. I painted the ring, let it dry for a few hours. Look like it's completely dry now, so I can go ahead and get it reassembled. Now the glass, I mean, it cleaned up pretty good. I use Windex, of course. These are really good for glass. So now I'm not going to be able to reuse the seal, of course. It's really bad. So what I'm thinking about is using these double-sided tape, and I'm just going to tape around the ring and then just use that as a seal. I think it's going to work just fine. Well, here we go, guys. This tapes is in. So it's going to look something like that. Perfect. Now I'll get the glass in. Look like it's sealed really well. Let's see if this is still working. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna put this ring back. Oh, I can see some tape. So I have to go and trim this tape over here because you can visually see from the outside. Okay, I think we're good now. I moved the tape further in a little bit so you can't see it in the outside. Put trim rings on. So it needs a little bit of persuasion, but it came in. So now you just kind of take your time, find something flat, and then just knock all the edges back down. Well, here it is, guys. I got it put back in. So now this gauge is looking a lot cleaner than these ones. So I don't know, should I go ahead and restore all of these or not? It's just a pain to deal with. I think for the time being, I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and maybe just clean the glass outside a little bit better. Hopefully it doesn't look as bad.